Nkurunziza Sebu Francis, being the returning officer for Wakiso Electoral District, having added up the number of votes cast as recorded on each declaration of results form, in accordance with Section 53 of the Parliamentary Elections Act, declare that the total number of valid votes cast for each candidate is as follows: 111. Therefore, the total number of ballot papers counted was 33,310. The total number of spoiled ballot papers were 41. Accordingly, as returning officer for Wakiso Electoral District, and in accordance with Section 58, subsection 1 of the Parliamentary Elections Act, I declare Kyagulanyi Ssentamu Robert, who has obtained the largest number of votes, to be the elected candidate for Kyadondo County East Constituency, Wakiso District.